Hey my YouTube baby, this your girl Bricky, and today I will be making my What's Up My Blovelife sauce. I ordered this off of Amazon, luckily before it all sold out. Won't he do it? So right now I'm going to start with my ingredients. I have some white wine vinegar right there. I have some Susie ginger, the pickled ginger. I have unsalted butter, onion, some Coca-Cola, some garlic, and of course, Be Lovely sauce. Won't he do it? Won't he do it? And I have some chicken broth right there. These are all the ingredients that's on the back of the package, the bag. Okay, you guys, next I'm just going to be cutting up my onions and my garlic. I'm going to give y'all a little ASMR, whatever you want to call that mess. I'm going to give y'all a little bit of that while I cut these vegetables up, okay? So I'm going to be quiet and y'all just listen to me chippity chop. You know, chop, chop, chop. Shout out to my cousin who has a YouTube channel that told me to put a wet paper towel under the cutting board so the thing don't move, and it actually worked. Y'all give her page a look at. I'm gonna put her link down below, okay? Won't you do it? Let me tell y'all something that I learned from Gordon Ramsay. You see the butt right there? You do not want to cut the butt because that's gonna make the onion bleed, which is gonna cause you to cry. Okay? I'm just letting y'all know, don't cut the butt because then you'll start crying. Never cried once cutting these onions. Yes, for my stills babies that be watching my channel, yes, cutting this garlic and these onions had my hands hurting. So now I am going to melt me 4 sticks of butter, like it says on the box. I mean on the packaging, and from what Blove says. And y'all, I've been saying it wrong. It's Blovelife Smackalicious sauce, okay? So now I'm going to add my onions once that butter has melted. And I'm going to keep the onions, I'm going to let them cook until they're translucent, which means you can see through them, okay? Now I'm going to add my pickled ginger. I'm going to add all the juices from that pickled ginger, like so. And you guys, that's how I want my onions to look, okay? So now I'm going to add my garlic. Okay, you guys, I am going to add all the ginger that was in that container, because when I did the measurements, it was only like 1/4 of that jar left of the ginger, so I just put it all in there. The more the merrier. And that's how it's looking. Now I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of Coke. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of chicken broth. I'm not going to add it just yet. Now that's my Blove sauce. And I added the whole package. Now y'all, don't be like me. My burner, I actually had my burner on low. I don't know why my burner goes super high for some odd reason. So don't be like me. So I had to switch the cooking. I don't even have it under the fire now because my stove was acting stupid. So that's me mixing all that together. Then I add my chicken broth because it does get pretty thick. So I wanted to add the sauce once I got all the seasoning mixed in the butter, like so. Okay, you guys, I did add a teaspoon of that white wine vinegar. I cannot find a clip, but I did add it, okay? Y'all, when I tell you this smells so freaking delicious and so good, we need smell-o-vision. Smells delicious. Do you hear me? Y'all, when I tell you guys this sauce is bomb.com, I'm not even over exaggerating. It is really, truly, really good. Really, really good. I like it better than bowling crab. My husband prefers bowling crab over the sauce, over Blove sauce. It's the ginger, I'm telling you. And you guys, yes, it costs $25. This I know. If you can't afford it, you don't need to be buying it, period. But look at all this sauce that you get out of this. Look at it. And you can water it down too, and it's still gonna taste the fucking same. Excuse my mouth. But y'all, look at all this sauce you get. Yes, it's $25. Yes, this I know. Is it worth $25? Probably not. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. 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 Look at all that you get from this. And I'm a supporter of Miss Blove, so it was worth it to me. Now, with that being said, I am going to do a review. I have tasted it already. I have made it. If you guys want to watch the video of me and my husband eating the sauce and giving our true reviews on it, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. Do what you gotta do. Subscribe and hit that bell so you can see when I upload that video. Alright, thank you, my YouTube babies. Remember, subscribe, like, and all that good stuff. And share this video if you care. Bye bye. Love you. Mwah.